Hello children, today we will learn 15 lines essay on Holi festival. First point, Holi is one of the famous festivals celebrated all over India. Second point, Holi is popularly known as Festival of Spring, Festival of Colors and Festival of Love. Third point, it is celebrated in the month of March every year. Fourth point, the Holi festival indicates the arrival of spring season and end of winter season. Fifth point, Hindus believe that this festival celebrated by Radha and Krishna in Vrindavan. Sixth point, one day before the colorful Holi festival, Holika Dahan is conducted. Seventh point, people collect wood and burn a bonfire and celebrate by singing songs around it. Eighth point, people wear white colored clothes on the day of Holi. Ninth point, they play with bright colors like red, green, yellow, purple and orange. 10th point, children love playing with colors using bucket, pitchkaris and balloons filled with colored water. 11th point, Gujia is a special sweet which is made in every household in India during Holi. It is filled with khoya or mawa and lot of dry fruits. 12th point, Bhang is a special drink that is specially prepared on the festival of Holi. 13th point, women and senior citizens form groups called tolis and move in colonies, applying colors and exchanging greetings. 14th point, after playing with colors whole day, people spend evening with friends and relatives and wishes happy Holi with sweets. 15th point, Holi brings people closer and it is also said that Holi turns enemies into friends by forgetting all issues and problems between them. 16th point, Holi is a festival of togetherness, harmony, peace and spreads love and unity among people. If you like my channel, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.